Hello beautiful people, today's video is all about your latest 2025 stroke 2026 knotless braid hairstyle. Guys, what am I saying? This knotless braid is so beautiful and gorgeous. It will make you not only look presentable but also make you feel that confidence. Look so beautiful. So take away, guys. Stand up from your bed, go and make that knotless braid hairstyle. We have the little one, all this coiling where you can coil the mouth. It make it look so nice, so pretty and so demure, guys. And this one also is the big one. So if you are the type that does not like all those tiny knotless braid, guys, I will recommend you to braid this size. It will come out so perfect and so neat. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end because we have a lot of amazing and beautiful, stunning, latest trending 2025 knotless braid box hairstyle. Guys, it's so amazing, so stunning, so elegant. Flaunt that your hair when you are done making it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like if what you watch you appreciate and love it. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you so much very much for all my subscribers. I love you guys for all your effort. I appreciate all you do for me. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to Dora Fashion Inspiration. Welcome. In here we share with you a very pretty and amazing fashion styles of the year, hairstyles, nail design inspiration and many more. Enjoy watching this video, guys. Bye.